Can you fathom what the staggering annual production of automobiles worldwide is? And did you know that each vehicle has an average of more than 4,000 spot welds? With global production exceeding 85 million units in 2022, where Brazil stood out with 2.4 million, the imperative for efficient inspection in this process is crucial. Currently, manual inspection methods prevail, but they are time-consuming, costly, and result in sample-based inspections that may not identify all flaws. Enter Strokmatic, a pioneer in industrial innovation. We have engineered the automated solution for spot welding inspection in real time, utilizing artificial intelligence for immediate faults detection. This ensures the elimination of the risk of extensive rework, such as cases where faulty body frames advance to the painting stage. Our goal is to ensure the quality of all spot welds on all cars quickly and accurately. Not only does this dramatically reduce manufacturing costs, but also liberate professionals from repetitive tasks addressing the potential ergonomic issues. And that, in the end, will prevent defective cars from reaching consumers, avoiding unwanted recalls. Furthermore, the technology is capable of reducing energy and material consumption in the spot welding process. Currently, the solution has been successfully applied in the assembly lines of large automakers in Brazil and the USA. A revolution is unfolding in the automotive industry right before your eyes, enhancing production efficiency and ensuring the quality of the vehicles that we all drive. More quality and safety in less time. Strokmatic, innovation technology.